The new Fed chair just turned hawkish, and the market flinched hard. Big red day. Tech breadth collapsed to zero, meaning the whole sector is being carried by 3 stocks, and the smart money is already selling those 3. Fed Chair Warsh hinted at rate hikes, and killed forward guidance in the same breath. Fed Chair Warsh's first FOMC meeting ended with a hawkish warning, possible rate hikes this year, and forward guidance scrapped. That's a regime change signal. Qualcomm is reportedly in talks to buy AI chip startup Tenstorrent at a price tag of $80 to $100 billion. Mixed regime today, but the rotation story is clear. Money is moving out of energy and communications, into industrials and financials. In the off-exchange big block trades, QQQ printed around $355 million, with big money leaning towards selling. SPY was larger at roughly $609 million, but stayed neutral. SPY's option structure is flashing warning signs. Puts are clearly outweighing calls today, and the options market is pricing in much more fear on the downside than the upside. QQQ's options fear is even more extreme than SPY's. Puts are outpacing calls, and the cost of downside protection is running at a significant premium. The options anomaly scan is telling. Tesla and Meta both show abnormal bearish bets. Puts dominating flow in both names. Financials ETF, XLF, bullish, 100% sector breadth. Hawk rates lift bank margins directly. Industrials ETF XLI, bullish, short sellers getting squeezed against the strongest 5-day momentum. Long bond ETF TLT, defensive neutral watch, option spike confirms flight to safety demand. Here's the read. Warsh turned hawkish, and breadth collapsed to zero in tech. QQQ's off-exchange flow leaned sell, and both retail and institutional sentiment are aligned bearish. A rare trend confirmation, not a contrarian setup. All of it points one way. This uptrend is climbing on a cracking foundation. Financials and industrials are the only sectors with real support. Everything else is fragile. That's today's print. This is Lidar. See what they see. Trade your own thesis. See you next time.